Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, the taste is within our hand. If during Mangalarati we feel laziness, that means I'm not yet spiritually advanced. And if you want feels enthused, now it is time for Mangalarati, let me stand up, let me do this, then it is spiritual. Anyone can taste. Bhakti parisanubhava virakti annatrasya. Bhakti means spiritual. So as soon as you are touched with the Supreme Spirit, virakti annatrasya. No more enjoyment in this material world. So, Krishna is there. Krishna is also sitting within the heart, and I am also sitting within the heart, just like two friends on the same bar. This is also described in the Upanishad. Samane brikshe purusha nimagno. They are sitting equally on the same level. Nimagno. So one body is eating the fruit of the tree, or the jiva soul, the living entity, he is making his fruitive action. Khetraggan. These are all described. Khetraggan chamimanga vidhi, sarva khetri subhar. The owner and the occupier. I am the occupier of this body, and the owner is Krishna. Therefore Krishna's another name is Rishikesh. Rishikesh. So, he is actually owner of my hand and leg and eyes, everything, all my senses. I am simply occupier. I am not owner. But that we have forgotten. Just like if you are in a rented apartment, you are occupier. You are given the license to occupy the room. You are not owner. But if you think that you are owner, that is, tena eva sa uchyate, immediately it becomes wrongly directed. So take it, this body or the country or the nation or the world or the universe, nothing belongs to you. The owner is Krishna. The owner is Saraloka Maheswaram. Krishna says, I am the owner. So mistake is that we do not know the owner, and we are, although we are occupied, improperly using our occupation. That is material condition. Improper. Otherwise, the direction is there, the director is sitting there, he is always helping you, but the disease is that we are claiming to be owner and want to act according to my whims, and that is material condition. My business is to work for the owner, not for me. Therefore, that is my position, constituted. Krishna has created me, not creation, but along with Krishna, we are all there. But we are eternal services. Along with this body, the finger is also born. The finger is not differently born. When I was born, my fingers were born. Similarly, when Krishna was there, if Krishna was never born, then we are also never born. Na hannate hannamane sarire. Very simple philosophy. Because you are part and parcel of Krishna. If Krishna is born, then I am born. If Krishna is not born, then I am not born. Krishna is aja, so we are also aja. Ajam abhayam. Krishna is imperishable, immutable, we are also immutable. Because we are part and parcel of God. So, why the part and parcels are there? Why my hand is there? Because I require it. I require the assistance of my hand. I require the assistance of my finger. It is necessary. The rascal say, why God created us? Rascal, it is necessary. Because he is God, he wants your service. Just like big man, he keeps so many servants. If some rascal inquires, why you are keeping so many servants? And because I am big man, I want. Simple together. Similarly, if God is the supreme authority, then he must have so many assistants. Otherwise, how will he manage?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.